This video is to show you how to install modules in Jamovi. So the modules usually will provide more analysis than what's available in the basic Jamovi. Same for plots and things like that. They are developed by programmers or researchers. So what's in there, it's a hit or miss. Whether they're going to be updated, it's also a hit or miss. I think it's very useful for grad students because if they want to go beyond, what they're doing in their intro to stats class, they can with these modules. So to install them, we're going to go into the little plus sign. It gives me the option of Jamovi library or managed install. So I'm going to go into library. And now I have this window that has these three tabs installed. This is what I already installed in Jamovi. What's available, so what's been uploaded to Jamovi and siloed. So this is if you were uploading your own module, or if you found a module on the internet, you could upload it here. I'm not going to use it. So here I'm going to look for a module that I think is useful, which is survey plots. I already know the name of the module, so I can just type it in the search. If not, I would scroll through this whole thing and see what I want to install, but I'm not going to do that for this video. I'm going to hit install. It installed pretty quickly. I'm going to close this. It should show here, but because I already have a bunch of modules installed, it just doesn't have the space. To be able to see it, I'm going to go into modules, and it's this one, survey plots. I can check this one, show on the main menu, or just click on this and it will take me to that window. Survey plots, and there it is, survey plots.